Hi mates, today I'm gonna show you how to download and how to install Bluestacks on your PC. And as you know, it's a free app. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end and you'll learn how to do it. So first, search in Google Bluestacks like this. Click on the first link here and click on download Bluestacks. Yep. Wait a few seconds. There is loading. And yeah, here is this file that you need to open. Just click on run. Wait a few seconds again. Click on install now. And yeah, now it's installing. And that's actually how to download and how to install Bluestacks on your PC. And I don't want to waste any more of your time because, as you know, the installation is not a quick operation. So yeah, that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, you can comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.